Sentado, Anita y tú.
So as you see, they are lifting the whole capsule up and they're about to drop it. The capsule is big, so they have to do very slowly. And its weight about 10 tons, 20,000 pounds. So they have to be very careful to lift it up and drop in the site. I'm Ethan. So our company called Housei, Housei.io. That's our website. And we sell all kinds of different capsule homes. And this is our P7. So they are about to lift up. Study. This one has a balcony. We have another one that does not have balcony, those will be bigger. We're at the P7 capsule home. If you look at the top, this is going to be the skylight roof. The skylight will be open and closed. You can control by voice control. Simply hit a button here. We have option you can upgrade to have a nice stand here, like adds like a bar stool. Couple chairs here. You can sit like lounge, make your own teas. You can have a small mini kitchen setup here. This curtain, high quality fabrication curtain, give you almost 360-degree view, and those curtains controlled by the voice control system. So you automatically open. This unit comes with balcony. As you can see, eventually we're gonna put a lot of furniture. We're gonna decorate, so it's gonna look very spacious. Some of the model we don't come with the balcony. You can add more interior space all the way to the end of the balcony. This one comes with balcony. I personally love balcony that you can put some furniture outside. You know, if you land located in a nice view place, imagine that you can sit, watching all the view of mountains while you drink your coffee with your friends. Some detail I want to show us is this is those called the interior beam lights, so you can have come check out. With only turn on the lights that at nighttime. They have a bedroom moonlight, sleeping mode, bedroom curtain opening. That's one hit button, that curtain would be closed. This also comes with the heated floor, so you can upgrade to have a heated floor. All the floor will be has a heated, so in the winter time if you're warm. And this is our central air conditioning system that you can see here. And those are the box that we're gonna unwrap. It's high quality, made by Medium company. It's air conditioning. We have two. Those are I totally new unpacked. We're gonna install them later. We can show us how we install those air conditioning system later. You can put your projector here, because if you look at the detail here, we have a projector to track it down, and those can be controlled by voice system too. So very, very lit. GFI standard US outlet, US standard outlet. We have plenty here and there. Those you can put back. We have plenty space in outlet. Come here. There's a fresh taper because we just unwrap it, and this is gonna be a shoe rack. You can come inside. You can put your shoes inside it. It's pretty deep inside it. Here is our comfort check, so you can put your shoes slides underneath it. We got you can put your TV, satellite, internet cable system here, and I think that's probably that's a meter box. That is it. That's another meter breaker room. You can put your all breaker room here, and there's a Wi-Fi. One is for your medium center, the other one for your Wi-Fi center. So very, very lit. You can place your shoes underneath it. I would consider like that's all your feature gonna be centered here, and that's come with standard. It's a hotel key, like any other hotel. So if you want to purchase this for Airbnb, it's perfect. You slice that down, power the entire unit. And this is also heated floor, having another central air conditioning. All the button here, you have lighting mode, day mode, fresh air system, hallway lights, hallway mood lights, exterior lights, living room lights, living room mood lights, wash lights, mini lights. And this is our bathroom. It's separate, wet and dry. Wet shower place, dry shower place. It's a tire, quality tire. Here's the sink. I love the roof. You can see the roof is mirroring. You can see everything. I believe that's aluminum. Pretty cool. This is our second bedroom of our capsule P7 series, and this bedroom a little bit smaller. Here you can utilize for like living room, lounge. You can essentially, if you want to put a kitchen here, you can put a kitchen in this area as well. If you come here, you see there's several different outlets, there for your convenience. This is for the maybe for the kitchen setup, microwave and such. And same thing, those curtain will be voice control closed down. And if you look detail, the windows that every window comes with a screen door pre-lit, and the windows are open outside. The floor is very nice, high quality waterproof laminate floor, easily replace. One of the detail I want to show here is the bedroom, living room big lights, lights you can turn on, and we have a central air conditioning system. This is probably going to be air filter. This is going to be the air come out and air come in, intake and outtake. Yeah, pretty lit. It's pretty good size. Actually, here you can put a queen size bed if you want it. You can put a lot of. You hang your clothes here. You close them down.